So how do I capture more context of what I'm doing? One of the ways is using Crisp.ai. It's a tool where you can track whenever you go into a meeting that is scheduled or that is unscheduled, and you can track the transcripts. And then based on transcripts, you can see what has been said, and you can also use AI to talk to it. So how do I gather more context about what I'm doing? One of the ways is using a tool to transcribe my meetings. Now, a lot of tools transcribe meetings that are planned. For the unplanned ones, you get no transcription, at least in my experience. So I have here a tool that helps me also with the unplanned meetings. It's called Crisp.ai. It's a free tool. You don't have to pay. You can just use it. What happens is not just when a call is scheduled, the transcript gets recorded or the transcript gets documented, but also for the unscheduled ones. And to be honest, in my schedule, a lot of times meetings are unplanned. For example, if a client quickly wants to call, we just hop on a call without planning it first. And normally that transcript is lost. Like there's no fireflies entering the call or some other note taker. And with this, for the tools that you have selected, so in this case, I've put it for Slack, Slack huddles, for Zoom, Zoom calls, and for Google Meet. So if one of those three happen, then when the call is done, I get a transcription that is not only available in the Crisp app, but that transcription also gets sent to an external tool because you can make external connections. And one of them, the one that I use, is webhooks. So what I do is I have connected that webhook and I will send it to my database. And in the database, it gets stored with all the necessary information. So for example, with who was it? And what I can do with it is that's also one of the things I've mentioned in my previous videos. And that is I want to make a central hub about where I can see everything related from one client. So I don't have to ask the same client for information that has been discussed before. How do you do that? Well, first of all, you need to get that information. And this is one of the ways to get the information from the meetings that we've had. So for me, this has been a massive upgrade and I definitely recommend you should check it out. If you have checked it out, let me know in the comments what you think about it and I will see you in the next one.